Hi, I'm using my homemade play clay to make a gnome, a little gnome. So I'm taking a section of my greenish blue clay and I'm going to roll it around, and this is going to be the body, not a detailed body, just kind of a symbolic body, just a slug, right? So then I'll make some arms, and they're fat and stubby. Yeah, put that on like that. Another arm. I should have made them at the same time so that I can be guaranteed that they're going to be similar enough, but I'll just eye it up this time. There we go. That's a great physique, right? He works out a lot. No, he's been in quarantine for a while. All right, here's the head. Yeah, that'll be good. Out of the pink, I'm going to roll it around to bring in the rough edges. This is a little drier. It's not wanting to stay together as well, so I'm just going to pat it in. There we go. There's a nice round head, because, you know, we all want a round head. Ooh, maybe I should give him some round pink hands too. Just pinch those out and attach those. Yeah, kind of going, just making it up as I go along. That's the way it is, you know, that's the creative process. You don't know for sure what you're making, and sometimes you can change your mind 5 times before a sculpture appears. There's another hand. He's going to be wearing some little cute sneakers or some boots, gnome boots. But they're not going to be brand name by any means at all. They're just going to be little beads that are positioned down in front. Around and around. There we go. Okay, now we will make the beard. Because he's not really a gnome without a beard, right? Unless it's a girl gnome, but I'm doing a boy. Put the beard on. And then they kind of hide under their big floppy hat. Just making a cone shape, almost like an ice cream cone shape. I'm pinching this out, bringing the brim nice and thin so I can fold it up. Maybe I don't want to fold it up. Maybe he's going to be hiding under that brim. Bring the peak down. There we go. So simple. We're hiding his eyes. We don't need to make eyes then. All right. The recipe is listed down below. If you like it, great. Like it, share it. Thanks for watching.